Hi Devi, Varaprasad here. First of all, congrats for your new job. To speak about Devi, she is a very talented hard worker and she is always eager to learn new things all the time. And she usually gives 100% commitment towards her work. And also, as we are basing on Chennai location, we as a team usually will go for coffee, lunch breaks, and all. Frankly speaking, before Devi joins in Chennai team, so Kalis, myself, Balaji, and other teammates, we usually go for lunch and come back to our places within 20 to 25 minutes max, like a robust. Once Devi entered into our team, then it's completely changed. Like so, actually, during the lunch break, she eats very slow, and if we start some casual topic during the lunch time, then she will start debating on that, and that debate will go like 1 hour. It depends, like 3 hours or a day also. Because of this, as because of this, I also learned the Tamil whatever the conversation is happening during the lunch breaks and in our cabin also. The one interesting thing in her is gender equality. If we say something in favor to one gender, then she will debate on that until we accept her thoughts. And also, I want to thank her. Like when I bought a car, so then I feared to drive in traffic, but she trusted and joined with me during traveling to the office. Thanks a lot, Devi. And as we all associated with the same MWatch team for more than 2 years, and frankly speaking, more than a team, MWatch Chennai team, we became very good friends forever.
கங்க்ராட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் அக்கா. எனக்கு தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு அக்கான்னு கூப்பிட பிடிக்காது, ஆனால் எனக்கும் அக்கான்னு கூப்பிட நல்லா இருக்குது. நீங்கள் ஒரு நல்ல அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் அண்ட் மெச்சூரான ஒரு பர்சன். ப்ரொஃபஷ்னலான சரி பர்சனலான சரி உங்கள் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் பெட்டராக இருக்குது. ஆஸ் ஃபார் அஸ் ஐ சா அண்ட் ஐ சி யூ ஆர் த ரியல் ஃபெமினிஸ்ட். இந்த ப்ராஜெக்டில் இருக்க உங்களோட தம்பின்னு எல்லாம் மறந்துடாதீங்க. சாய், வினீத், காலி, ஸ்ரீஹரி. Again, all the best and thank you, Akka. Congrats also.
Hi Devi, today is your farewell day, so I speak some words about you. I have worked with you in the MDES service. If I have any issues or doubts, when I ask for help to you, you will help me without any burden. You will always keep who's around you happy, and I do not have enough memories to say here because work from home has arrived in a few days itself. In my view, you are a jolly person. All the best for your future plans and goals. Bye Devi.
Eka, how are you? So it all started during the time of interview. So we got to meet each other there. From there, the fun started. Like you are the person like who always wants to stand on the right things. So this is one of the reasons where we know your stance and we wantedly pull your legs. So yes, all the best. Stay happy as you are. Stay healthy. Take care. We will be missing you in MWatch. Thank you, Ka, for all the memories.
Hi Akka, all the best for your future endeavors.
Hi Devi, first of all, congratulations on your new opportunities and thank you for the good things you have done to all of us. And I observe like you treat every one of us like your own family, the way you used to take care of people and used to provide suggestions, and it is very well appreciated. And I can really say I got some newer perspectives in few areas after your suggestion, and I'm very thankful for it. And finally, thank you for your the good memories you gave to all of us. And stay in touch. Convey my regards to Yalini. All the very best and be happy.
Hi Devi, hope you like this surprise from our team. And right from the day of the interview to till date, from there to now, we have really traveled a lot in this short period of time. And we have really developed a very special bond. More than colleagues, we have now become good friends. Whenever I think about you, I'll always get that instant smile in my face. And to summarize you, you are such a special bundle of joy, happiness, talent, hard work, and innocent with a very pure and a kind heart. And when it comes to work, you'll always give more than your fullest potential, and it's always 100%, more than 100% from your end. And I really admire the fact that you are very curious about things. You ask a lot of questions, and it definitely shows your interest towards work. I definitely not going to miss you, but surely will miss working with you, and all our morning and evening time walks at office, and break time talks, and all those chit chat moments. And definitely I would miss your cute little arguments. I wish you all the very best of everything, very best of fortune, health, wealth, and the best in whatever you do in your life. And thank you for being a true entertainer and rock star of our team.
தேவி ஒரு சகாப்தம். Devi, when we remember the first day in interview, is unforgettable. The moments that you created with Balaji's panel and Wales panel, we discussed a lot after the interview about that, and you know what happened there. So from that it started, and the very first day when you joined, you called me and asked, hello, is this a development project? That is also unforgettable. And when it comes to personally, Devi is a very hardworking person, as everyone said. She gives complete potential whenever it is required. She gives utmost dedication, and she is a very good team player to have for anyone. And when it comes to learning, she learnt things very fast. She learnt a lot, and she always comes up with so much details when you give any work. There are so many unforgettable days and unforgettable moments, chats, WhatsApp, pulling. So much things happened, and we learnt each other about, well, personally and also professionally very well. Not just you and me, the whole team. So we will continue to do this good relationship outside Mindtree also. And I wish you all the best, Devi, wherever you go. Just shine. Whatever small advices I have given you then and there, you just try to utilize them and grow big, and come back one day and show us like, I am like this, I am like that. So all the best. Take care of my friend Ram and Yalini. Bye.